Not too long ago, I received my SIRUI Swift P1 stabilizer or gimbal from Indiegogo Kickstarter, and I wanted to show the people that have not received theirs yet, or the people that are thinking about making this purchase, what exactly you get when you purchase the SIRUI Swift P1 stabilizer. So it comes shipped in a typical corrugated cardboard box, and inside that is the retail box. So let's open that up and take a look inside and see what all comes with this gimbal. Inside the retail packaging, you'll see that we have a nice soft-sided padded case that has a zipper on each side. Let's open it up here and we'll take a look at our gimbal on the inside. The gimbal is held in by 3 different strips of hook and loop Velcro. Take the gimbal out. It feels pretty solid, nice and heavy. It's kind of flopping around here because it's not on. It's not been charged. This is fresh out of the box, as you can see it here. Feels pretty sturdy and well built. Very nice feel to the gimbal. Let's see what else we got coming in here. And we have a phone mount. Press the button and it spreads apart here. It has a little clicking, ratcheting mechanism here to clamp your phone down. And it has the 1/4-inch mount. Let's try it out on the phone here. Seems to grip the phone fairly well. Holds on there real good. We also have a tripod with the 1/4-inch screw mount. That'll go in the end of the gimbal. Then we have a box with some accessories inside. Let's take a look inside the box and see what we have inside the box. The first thing we have in the box is a quick release plate, and it has the 1/4-inch screw that'll screw onto most cameras and the cell phone mount. Next thing we have is the camera lens support bracket. This will go on the front and actually support the camera lens. And then last, we have the camera clamp for larger cameras. So let's take a look inside the zipper pouch, and we have an adapter here for Fuji cameras. Plugs into the gimbal and plugs into the camera. Next we have a Sony adapter, and that plugs into your Sony and then into the gimbal as well. And we also have an adapter here for the Panasonic camera right here. And last but not least, there is another cord for the Olympus camera. Let's take a look at that real quick. That's for your Olympus. Next, inside we have a USB cord. This is used to charge the gimbal. There's a quick start guide, small instruction manual, and a little card with your warranty information and a little hex key. And there's also a card that tells you how to set up your gimbal. And on the back of the card gives you a list of the compatible cameras that work with this gimbal. So now I'm going to charge my gimbal for 2 to 3 hours. When that's done, I'll show you how to balance your camera on this gimbal. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.